Now let's see. Who will tell me?
Cat.
Can you read the word is cat? Now what sound is this? Cool. Excellent. Very good. Now let's see, Anastasia. This is a big word. Do you remember?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. And the sound is? Excellent. Very nice. Now let's move on and let's make a. Now the sound is. Do you remember the sound? Anastasia, do you want to help her? Do you remember the sound? And this is? So, yes? Sun. The word is sun. Very well, children. Very nice. Now, let's move on to our friends over here. Now, Alexandre and Yuri, what are you making? A monster? A monster? Yes. Now, let's see. What is this? What is this, Alexandre? Or is it a mouth? I mean.
Yes.
So what is it? A mouth, correct. And how many eyes has it got? 4 eyes. Oh my God. Let me write a word for you. And you can tell me which word is it. Do you know the word? Now. Spiridona and Stella, tell me the word.
Cat.
Cat, very nice. And which letter is it?
Dog.
K. And this is? A. And this is?
T.
Excellent. Very well. Here we are. Now, do you remember what's this? Yes, Philip. A train. Serie. Now, can you tell me if this is a teddy?
No.
No, it isn't. What is it?
Ball.
It's a ball. Excellent. Can you tell me what's this?
Teddy.
It's a teddy. Excellent. Very good. Excellent. And who's gonna tell me what's this? Yes, a car. Very good. And the last one? Do we have a plane? Can you see a plane? Where is the plane? Is this a plane?
No.
No, it isn't. This is a plane?
No.
So there isn't a plane on the board. Or? Yes, Panayoti. Ah, that's a plane. Very nice. I've got a. Yes, Sophia.
A doll.
I've got a doll. Perfect. Now, what have you got, Felipe?
I've got a tray.
Excellent. What have you got, Serie?
I've got a teddy.
You've got a teddy. Perfect, Sophia.
I've got a ball.
You've got a ball. And what have you got, Panayoti?
I've got a car.
I've got a car. Excellent. Very nice. Before we read the story, let's see if you remember our friends' names. Now, who will tell me who's this? Yes, Yuri?
Woody.
It's Woody. And who's this? The little fellow next to him. Yes?
Frosty.
It's Frosty. Correct, Panayoda. And this little girl is the Little Red Riding Hood. Now, let's read. Let's begin with Woody. Yes, Stella? Hello. Very nice. And then?
Hello.
Hello, says the Little Red Riding Hood. Yes, Piridona.
Lovely flower.
Excellent. Yes, Panayota.
Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you. And what do you say then? Yes, Stella. Bye. And then here comes the bad wolf. And Woody says,
You've got big eyes.
excellent. You've got big eyes. And then Frosty, look at his ears. And what do you say?
You've got big ears.
Excellent. You've got big ears. And what is Woody doing in here in the wolf's mouth? Yes.
You got big teeth.
excellent. You've got big teeth. Very nice. And Frosty says, yes, Spiridona.
Smile.
Smile. Very nice.
Hello. Hello. Lovely flower. Thank you. Bye. You've got big eyes. You've got big ears. You've got big teeth. Smile.
Now, let's play.
Yes.
The first one. Now, this is Woody and this is Frosty. 1. You get a 1. So what number is this? What number? Yes, Sophia.
5.
It's number 5. Correct. Very nice. 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. What number is this, Felipe? 3. Excellent, Felipe. It's number 3. Now let's continue with the two of you, Sergio and Sofia. And let's see. This is number 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Oh no. So you go all the way back to the beginning.
No.
No. It's okay. It's okay. It's just a game. It doesn't matter. It's just a game. Now, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's this? Yes.
School bag.
School bag. Excellent, Felipe. It's a school bag. And we have a winner. Now, who wants to come on the board? Yes, Andri. Now, take the pen. Fish. Yes. Very nice. Excellent. Excellent, children.
Ship.
Ship. Ship. Who wants to try? Yes, Ina. Here you are. Take the pen.
Ship.
Ship.
Sheep.
Now, who wants to try and write the word? I think it's easy, isn't it? It's easy. Come on, Chris. Take your pen and write. Yes. Correct. Excellent. Yes, very nice. Yes. Perfect, Crystal. Perfect. And the next word is fish. Fish. Yes, Marina. Correct. Fish. E. Excellent. Fish. Correct. And the last one?
Fish.
Fish. Correct. Now, are we ready to start?
Yes.
Yes, we are. Let's read some sentences. Okay? Now, the first one. Yes, Sergey.
When the bat has a pen.
Excellent. Now, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yeah. Open your eyes now. Open your eyes. Now, is this a bat? No, it isn't. What is it? Yes. Yes, Panayoti. Hen. Very good. Hen. And this is a pen? Yes, it is. What's this? Is it an apple? No. What is it, Sergey?
School bag.
It's a school bag. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, and the last sentence. Who hasn't read? Sophia?
There is a dog in my
house. Very nice, Sophia. Excellent. Now close your eyes again. Close your eyes again. And let's see. Is it a dog in the house? No. Open your eyes and tell me what's this. Yes, Panayoti. A mouse. Excellent, bana Jodi. And this is a
House.
house. Very well, very nice. Are we happy?
Yes.
Yes, okay.